Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and practical tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to post ACH payments in QuickBooks for 2025. If you're a small business owner or accountant, you know that ACH payments can streamline your finances, saving time and reducing errors. By the end of this video, you'll be posting ACH payments like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have QuickBooks Desktop or online open and you're logged into your account. It's always a good idea to back up your data before making changes, just to stay safe. Now, navigate to the Banking menu. That's where the magic happens. Look for the Bank Feeds or Transactions section to import your ACH payment data. If you haven't set up ACH yet, go to Edit, Preferences, Banking, and enable it. Once you're in, select Record Deposits or Enter Bills, depending on your version. For 2025 updates, QuickBooks has made this even smoother with automated matching, so enter the ACH payment details like the amount, date, and payer information. Double-check everything to avoid mistakes. Accuracy is key. Next, categorize the transaction. Assign it to the right account, such as undeposited funds, or directly to your bank account. Hit Save and Close to post it. QuickBooks will then reconcile it automatically in many cases, but always verify in the Reconcile tool under Banking to ensure it matches your bank statement. One quick tip. If you run into errors, like a mismatched payment, check your bank feed settings or contact your bank for confirmation. This process not only keeps your books tidy but also helps with tax prep down the line. There you have it. Posting ACH payments in QuickBooks for 2025 is straightforward once you know the steps. Give it a try on your next payment and watch your efficiency soar. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.